Day 49 of Learning Robotics. Today I'll be using two ESP32s. To the first one, I'll add a push button. On the bottom right lead, I'll add a 10K ohm resistor. To the resistor, I'll add a jumper wire to ground. On the bottom left pin, I'll add a jumper wire to the power rail. I'll connect the power and ground rails to the ESP32. I'll hook up the button to pin 36 on the ESP32. To find out the MAC address of your ESP32, you can copy this code. With the code, I'll include the needed libraries, create a constant for my button pin, add button state, add the MAC address to the other ESP32. I'll create a struct for the message to be sent, which will include a state variable. I'll add an instance of that message. I'll create my peer info and create an onDataSent method callback. I'll set my pin mode and set my Wi-Fi mode. I'll initiate the ESP now. I'll add the onDataSent callback to the ESP now. I'll copy the peer info and MAC address to memory. I'll add the peer info to the ESP now. In the loop, I'll check the button state. I'll add that button state to the button message. I can now send that message to the other ESP and check the result. To the second ESP32, I'll add a yellow LED. I'll hook that up to ground and add a 220 ohm resistor. I'll then hook that up to pin 23 on the ESP32. This code is very similar to the other code. I'll import libraries, I'll add the LED pin, and I'll add a button state. I'll add the MAC address to the other ESP32 and create the same struct message. I'll create a variable for the incoming readings, add the peer info, and create an onDataReceived callback. In the callback, I'll copy the incoming data to memory and read the button state. In the setup, I'll set my pin mode and set my Wi-Fi mode. I'll initiate the ESP now and copy the peer info and MAC address to memory. I'll add the peer info to the ESP now, and I'll register my onDataReceived callback. In the loop, I'll write my button state to the LED pin.